You know that feeling, right? That feeling of being just completely overwhelmed by technology? It feels like a constant flood of new information. So today we're going to talk about that exact challenge, and we'll look at one company's way of cutting through all that noise to help us make sense of it all.
I mean, it feels like every single time you blink, there's some new breakthrough, a new app you just have to have, or some super complex new concept that we're all just expected to get, like, instantly. The pace of tech isn't just fast anymore, it's honestly dizzying. And let's be real for a second. Does this feel familiar? If you've ever felt like you're just drowning in all the information being thrown at you, believe me, you are not alone. Just trying to stay on top of it all has become a full-time job.
And look at this list. This barely even scratches the surface. Think about it. Artificial intelligence isn't just one topic. It's this whole universe of machine learning, neural nets, ethics. It's huge. Same with cybersecurity. It's this constant game of cat and mouse. Every single one of these is its own massive, complicated world.
So right in the middle of all this chaos, how in the world are you supposed to find any clarity? Well, that's the exact problem that companies like the one we're talking about today are trying to solve. They're designed to be your guide through this crazy technological maze.
What they're trying to do is actually pretty simple, but man, is it powerful. The whole point is to cut through all the jargon, get past the hype, and just get to what matters. The big idea is to give you these simplified overviews so you can actually get what's going on without needing a PhD to figure it out.
And they kind of tackle this from two different angles. First, let's talk about what they offer for individual learners. People like you and me, who are just trying to stay informed and understand the world that's changing all around us.
And we're not just talking about some random blog posts here. The whole idea is to provide structured, totally free resources, like really deep training courses and short, easy-to-digest video explainers. And what's really important is that it's all built on a ton of research with one single goal: making this stuff easy to understand.
And they're not just sticking to one little corner of the tech world either. Nope, they're going after the big, critical topics that are literally shaping our lives right now. Everything from the amazing disruptive power of AI to the super important stuff like cybersecurity and our online privacy.
Okay, so that's one side of the coin. But now let's flip it over, because it's not just us individuals feeling the pressure. You've got entire businesses and organizations trying to figure out these massive changes on a much, much bigger scale.
Now, this part of the business is led directly by the founder, Bob Slovic. That's pronounced Slovic, by the way. He's the one who provides the hands-on advisory services and customized training that's built specifically for organizations. This quote really just nails the value for a business. It's all about getting that independent, outside perspective to cut through any internal politics or old ways of thinking. This helps companies navigate really tricky things, like implementing AI safely, while making sure all those huge investments they're making actually pay off.
So when you boil it all down, you've really got two different but connected paths here. For individuals like us, the goal is to just manage that feeling of information overload with clear, free explainers. But for organizations, it's about getting targeted, custom support, like specialized AI security training or strategic advice to help them on their journey. So what does this actually mean for a business? Well, it translates into a really clear strategic advantage. It starts with getting that fresh perspective, which is so crucial for spotting your blind spots. From there, you can reduce your risks. And ultimately, it's all about making sure the millions you might be spending on new tech actually give you the productivity and the return you were promised. All right, so as we start to pull all of this together, we come right back to that central idea. It really doesn't matter if you're just learning on your own or you're the CEO of a huge company. The basic challenge is exactly the same. And this right here is the big takeaway. In a world that just refuses to slow down, being able to get your hands on clear, simplified, and trustworthy knowledge isn't just a nice little skill anymore. It's literally the most essential tool you have for staying relevant and getting ahead of the curve.
So we'll just leave you with this thought. That next big wave of technological change, it's not on its way, it's already here. So the only real question left is, what's your strategy going to be to understand it, to navigate it, and maybe even to master it?